Hello and welcome to a nice little quick tutorial from Premier EPOS, just explaining how you can purchase extra services via the EPOS system itself. So we'll lock ourselves in, and you can see this little purple arrow here, so we'll click on that. We've got purchase services right here. Literally, if you can purchase extra support or credits or tax credits from this section here. So we click on there like so. Web page will then pop up, directing you to our shop front page effectively. So from here you can actually purchase any months of support, or you can purchase more text messages offers, or you can purchase loyalty cards from us including gift cards, or also purchase part of our live sync system as well for external backups on your system as well. Obviously if you have any questions regarding any of these, then feel free to call our sales line or the support line. We're more than happy to answer any questions. Like I said, it was just a quick one just to show you that you can purchase other things via the system as well to enhance your experience with Premier EPOS. I do hope this has been useful. Thank you very much for watching. Take care. See you next time.